Hi guys, so today I'm gonna tell you how to apply for the Vietnam visa, the most easiest, quickest, and the cheapest way. So welcome to Accidentally Here. So basically, there are some few ways that you can apply for the visa. Like you can get the pre-approval letter online for visa on arrival, or simply physically you can visit the Vietnam embassy in your country. But I'm not going to talk about those because I've got the most easiest solution for you. Apply for e-visa. Yes, you heard me correct, e-visa. So how to apply it? Watch this.
So all you need to do is Google Vietnam e-visa and select the first option. So once you select on the first option, you get onto this page where you need to select for foreigners. And so once you click on the for foreigners option, you get this page where this is the instruction how to fill up the form, and you just confirm it, take it there and select next. So once you select next, you'll get a page like this where you need to fill up all the details required for the visa, and you are done.
The processing fee for e-visa is $25 which you need to pay online while you are filling up this form. And there is no additional cost when you arrive at the Vietnam International Airport. All you need to make sure is that you keep a physical copy of the e-visa when you arrive at the Vietnam immigration counter. So the processing time to get yourself an e-visa is around 5 to 7 days. I got mine in 3. All you need to know is that you have filled the form in a very perfect manner. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and do subscribe. So till then, see you again. Bye. And I'm just looking for my boat partners. I can't find them.